Hey, what is up everybody? Connect your Android phone to your smart TV. Completely free, it's wireless, and the best part is that you don't have to download any app, any third-party app, because everything is built into it. And you can do tons on this, by the way. So let me just show you what you can actually do. So I'm just gonna give you an example by taking a photo. You can see the live camera, by the way. Just took a photo, and you can zoom in, and you can also go full screen if you want to. Completely free, by the way. Pretty awesome, right? Yeah, let's just dive right into it. Hey, what is up everybody? I'm Riz and welcome to another awesome video. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect or screen mirror any Android phone to your smart TV. Completely free, it's wireless, and I have a flu, so yeah, ignore the voice. Everything is built into your Android phone. You don't need to download anything on your phone or on your smart TV. Everything is built into it. All it takes is literally just one click and we're connected. You just saw it, it's pretty awesome. Let's just dive right into it. Alright, so to screen mirror your Android smartphone to your smart TV, it's really simple. So I'm going to show you what you need to do on your smartphone and the settings that we will be using, okay? So the first step is going to be your home Wi-Fi. So on your Android phone settings, go to your settings. Yeah, go to the settings, and once you're inside the settings, go to your Wi-Fi settings. Let me just click on that. So click on Wi-Fi settings and make sure you turn on your Wi-Fi and it's connected to your home Wi-Fi. As you can see, mine is connected. I have the connection right there, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Next up is I'm going to show you that the settings that we'll be using in order to screen mirror your Android phone to your smart TV. So inside the settings, again, you would find something called connection and hotspot. It should be similar to almost any Android phone that you have, but if you have Samsung or the iPhone, I will be linking that videos in the description box below, so be sure to check that out, okay? All right, so inside the connection and hotspot settings, once you're inside the connection and hotspot settings, you want to scroll down just a tiny bit until you find something called cast or wireless. So in this case, it's called cast. I'm just gonna check if I have wireless display. I do not have wireless display. So in order to do that, we'll be using the cast option right there. So as you can see right there, just wanted to show you the settings, and that is pretty much it. So you know what to do. Now let's just dive right into the video and let me show you how you can connect your Android smartphone to a smart TV. Alright, so there's a couple things we need to do before I actually jump into the video. So just like we did on the Android smartphone, we have to make sure that our smart TV is also connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. So in this case, just go to the settings, go to your network settings, pretty standard by the way, turn on the Wi-Fi and make sure your TV is connected to your home Wi-Fi. In this case, I've done this before. I cannot enter the password again, but you might have to enter the password. And once your TV is connected to your home Wi-Fi, that is pretty much all you have to do. That is literally everything you have to do on your TV. Alright, so to screen and mirror your Android phone to your smart TV, it's extremely simple. Just like I showed you before, the settings I showed you before, so we're going to be using those exact same settings, okay? So go to the settings page. Now inside the settings, go into the connection and hotspot settings. It might not look exactly like this, but it should be something similar, okay? Next step is going to be finding something called cast or wireless display. So in this case it's cast option right there. Just go into the cast option and turn on the cast. Once you do that, it will automatically scan all the TVs that are on your Wi-Fi connection. In this case, as you can see, second one is going to be my Android smart TV. Once you click on that, it will ask you for the permission if you're doing this for the first time. All you have to do is use your remote control, click accept, and it will take a couple seconds, and there you go. We are screen mirroring our Android smartphone to a smart TV. Completely free. It's wireless. I showed you before. I told you before. We don't need to download anything. So let me just change up the wallpaper. By the way, just so you can actually see things better. In this case, you can do tons on this. By the way, the audio will be coming from the TV. You cannot change that. Actually, I've tried it before. You actually cannot change that. You can even use your camera if you want to. So I'm using the camera, and if you want to go full screen, you actually can go full screen, which I'll show you in a bit. So to go full screen, you have to turn on the auto. Alright, so to go full screen, you have to turn on the auto rotation. Just turn on the auto rotation, and once you do that, it will automatically go full screen. As you can see, the whole TV is just like a giant smartphone, and there you go. You can zoom in and we'll see the whole photos on the TV. Pretty awesome, pretty standard. And by the way, again, you can do tons of this. You can even watch YouTube if you want to. So once you do that, the audio will be coming from the TV, and whatever you do on your smartphone will be displayed on your TV, which is pretty cool, right? So as you can see, I'm watching a video. I can go full screen if I want to, and it will automatically go full screen on the TV as well. But if you don't want that, you can actually just rotate it and it will automatically go to the normal mode. Pretty standard and pretty awesome. So that's pretty much it for the video. And by the way, if you want to disconnect, it's also pretty simple. Again, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so to disconnect is really simple. Go to the settings. Again, go to the cast option like we did before. It's really standard, by the way. Go to the settings, go to the connection and hotspot settings. Inside the connection and hotspot settings, again, go to the cast option right there. Inside the cast option, you can actually see, you can just turn on. All you have to do is just turn it off and it automatically be disconnected. That's pretty much it for the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Well, that's pretty much it for the video. I'm Riz, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the video. By the way, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, if you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, okay? It's gonna help me a lot. It's gonna help the channel a lot, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.